Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan double chocolate ganache cake with olive oil. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 15 centimeter cake pan with parchment paper. In a small bowl, combine soy milk and vinegar to make vegan buttermilk. Add the coconut sugar and mix to dissolve the sugar completely. Add the extra virgin olive oil and mix well. In a bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and fold gently with a spatula until well combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan. Bake for about 45 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool and remove from the pan. Chop the chocolate into small pieces. In a pot, warm the 160 grams of soy milk and coconut sugar on a medium-low heat. Do not boil. Pour the warmed soy milk mixture onto the chopped chocolate and leave for about 1 minute. Slowly stir until it becomes shiny and smooth. Add the 40 grams of soy milk and rum and mix well. Set aside. Slice the sponge cake into 3 slices. Spread the chocolate ganache evenly. Place the second slice of the sponge cake. Spread the chocolate ganache evenly. Place the third slice of the sponge cake. Spread the chocolate ganache evenly. Cover the cake with chocolate ganache and sprinkle grated chocolate on top of the cake. This cake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. To keep them longer, slice the cake and wrap with plastic wrap individually and freeze them up to a few months. You can also omit the rum in the chocolate ganache recipe if you prefer. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan chocolate cake and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.